Hi guys, this is TJ. Today I got 9.8, so it's almost 10k. Uh, so today, if you see, the Bank Nifty ended up where it started, so it almost ended flat. So at the morning, it fell and it recovered after that. So, uh, but the main thing today was the DK was not there much. Only in this part in only during till 10 or 10:30 the decay was there, but after that there was no decay because of uh, this big event Powell's speech was there, the Fed chairman. So because of this news, uh, the VIX was increasing and the premiums were not falling. So that is one reason the option sellers would have not made money today. It was an mostly option buyers day today. So if you see, the VIX increased a lot. So actually, when it morning, it decreased in that fall, but later it increased. So if you want to see, it fell and it increased. So there was no much decay. uh, okay. So and then let's go to my trades. uh, so I didn't take much trades today, only 27 trades you can see. So the first one is I shorted put, because if you see, like the Bank Nifty re- started reversing from no, support one. So I shorted put over this point. But instead of putting 30 point stop loss, I kept a 20 point stop loss by mistake. So I entered again, and my stop loss got hit again. So it was I lost 2500 at the starting, and again 2000. So it's I lost 4500 something. So this was my first trade where I lost 4500, and these are my system trades which I take daily. So and at 9:32, so if you see here, so Bank Nifty started moving down from previous day low. So if you see here, it broke the major support level S1, and it started falling. So I shorted call at this particular point, 3500 call at 158. But it started returning back to its territory. If you can see here, it started coming back. So when it reached VWAP, uh, I got a clear signal it is reversing. So I didn't wait for the stop loss to get hit, and I immediately exited 3500 call. So I lost some 1700 rupees here. So and immediately I went and shorted a 3500 put. So in this particular put, I got 30 points. So it's 3800 in this particular trade. uh, and then I moved to 35200, which was trading around 158. I closed it around 134. Then I moved to 35300 put, so which was trading around 162. So and then I was holding this particular trade till end of the day. There was huge how to say, I was in very good profits, then it finally went into loss. So what happened at if you can see here, uh, at 222, actually if you see, it was just trading around this territory. So it was not breaking out. I was expecting a breakout because uh, the open interest was showing uh, the it will increase. The Bank Nifty will become bullish. So I saw a breakout here. So I immediately bought future. Uh, so I got two lots of future. Actually, it reached around 816, and I was in very good profits of almost 22 or 23k. But I didn't book my profits. So if you see here, I exited Bank Nifty around 762. If you see here, I didn't book at this point. When it started reversing, I just booked it here because it started breaking 20-day EMA, so 20-day moving average. So I closed it here. Otherwise, I would have lost more in this feature trade. But I held on to my put short, so which ended up in 172. Yeah. So overall, it was in the system trade. I got good profits today. The call side, the stop loss got hit, and put gave some profits. So yeah, uh, pretty much this. I got I 9k. It is good. Yeah. Thanks, guys. And when it comes to Powell's speech, so what happened is like he's saying like he will not increase the interest rate. Uh, so Bank Nifty may open gap up. When I mean Nifty and Bank Nifty both will open gap up on Monday. Uh, so if you see here, he will not increase the interest rates. So uh, the Bank Nifty will gap up, and as per the OI data, we are having a major support at 35,500 put. So I think like the Bank Nifty will give a very good move on Monday. Let's see, like majorly I will short only puts on Monday because I will just buy short puts on every fall, uh, because I'm expecting a very big move. Yeah, let's see what happens on Monday. Yeah, thanks, guys.